Oftentimes I'll use my router to kind of gradually and constructively build a case up around my single board computer. This is a Raspberry Pi CM4 on I think it's a Waveshare IO board, but you can see where I have a base underneath it to protect the M.2. Of course, there's a hole in there for the fan. And I decided to add LoRa to it, so I also just put something on top of it to cover up those electronics. I'm doing the same thing with the Banana Pi that I have. And I started off with making a description of the mechanics in SVG, printing it out and everything lined up. I'm going to have a 2.5-inch hard drive mounted underneath the board. And once again, I did everything in SVG and that lined up. And now I have cut up my board, but somehow I managed to get two holes out of place. I don't know how I did that, but it's simple enough. Rather than making a new board, I think I'm just going to go and drill a couple of holes and then everything should be in place. And then I'll be able to have this sandwich between the hard drive and the Banana Pi and be able to keep everything in place.